This is Bolt the electric car, and this is the manual for Bolt. Let's see what these numbers given here are in Hindu Arabic as they've given in Roman numerals. So this is 1. X stands for 10, so this becomes 25. L stands for 50, so this becomes 59. This becomes 99. C is 100, so it is 140. This is 2 C's are there, so it's 253. And the last one is 290. On what page number will you find details of the service center? So the service center is here. It's on page 290, option A. On what page number will you find details about the warranty of the car? And here it is the warranty, which is page 253. How many pages do we have to read for how to change the tires? So which is 253 minus 140. So let's write it here. 253 minus 140, and that gives you 113, which is option C. Did you enjoy doing this worksheet? If so, there are many more that Luma World has. Why don't you go to their website and try out all the worksheets?